We've organized this summer studio for participants, international participants who have come from a variety of different backgrounds, in order to test some of our proposals for a new curriculum we're developing for a transdisciplinary master across Code Arts, Willem de Koning, and the Erasmus University.
What we are doing with the Rotterdam Arts and Sciences Lab is exploring what happens when we ask artists and scientists to collaborate and engage with complex societal issues, to see what happens when you put together, for instance, a biologist or a visual artist, performance artist, a social scientist. What happens and when you ask them to look differently at societal problems, to ask what we call the what-if question. So what happens if we look at a particular problematic from this lens, then what? For instance, the notion that we are engaging with in the summer studio is the notion of hidden talent. So when you ask the what-if question, the question actually becomes, what if we define talent as this? Or what if we look at talent in this particular manner? Then what?
I was really amazed with how quickly we got quite familiar with each other, and there was like a really safe environment established really fast, which for me was really important in order to then further move on to the days of thinking and doing and producing.
We are not the teachers teaching them, but we're participating on an equal plane with them in elaborating how we work together and also the direction of the work. So it's there's a lot of give and take, a lot of dialogue around how our working methods, our working modes, and how we can create an atmosphere in which, in which we're sharing knowledge as equitably as possible.
Because you're thrown like that together, and that it's become so clear, like how we have so different perspectives, and also because we are very specialized, everyone, that we are so focused, and then it becomes also difficult to talk about your specialization, and you see that everyone comes from this specialized way of looking at something. So that is a good thing to experience, I think.
So for me, it's very interesting to see that the combination of the arts and sciences leads to propositions that are, on the one hand, recognizable by either the arts or the sciences, but there are also so much more than what would normally be produced within the participating institutions. And that for me is a great discovery at the end of the studio.